we'll guide you through how to fix DaVinci Resolve lagging playback. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Playback menu at the top of the screen. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Proxy Handling, and click on it and set it to Prefer Proxy. This helps reduce the demand on your computer's resources by lowering the playback resolution, making it easier for your system to handle. Next, go to the Project Settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Under the Master Settings tab, look for Timeline Resolution, and consider lowering it if it's set too high for your current project needs. This can significantly improve playback performance without affecting the final render quality. Now, head over to the Memory and GPU Settings tab. Ensure that your GPU processing mode is set to Auto, or specifically to CUDA, if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card. This ensures DaVinci Resolve is making the best use of your GPU capabilities. You can also try reducing the video bit depth to 8 bits in the Optimized Media and Render Cache section. This can lighten the load on your system, especially if you're working with high-resolution footage. Finally, make sure you are using optimized media. You can do this by right-clicking on your clips in the media pool and selecting Generate Optimized Media. This creates proxy files that are easier for DaVinci Resolve to process in real time. Implementing these changes should help reduce lag during playback, allowing you to edit more smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.